The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for Bernalillo County in central New Mexico, northeastern Valencia County in central New Mexico, southeastern Sandoval County in north-central New Mexico, until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.25 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albuquerque, southern Rio Rancho, Corrales, Los Ranchos de Albuquerque, Bosque Farms, Tijeras, South Valley, North Valley, Sandia Heights and Paradise Hills. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 139 and 178. Interstate 25 between mile markers 208 and 238, turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Arroyos, streams, and normally dry rivers can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes. Water in arroyos can travel many miles and take hours to reach your location from upstream rain areas.